Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can install 7zip on Windows 10. 7zip is a free and open source file archiver. With the help of 7zip, you can compress your file and even you can extract the zip file. So to install 7zip on Windows 10, first of all we have to download the 7zip file. For that, open your browser and search for 7zip and open the link from 7zip.org. Don't worry about the download link. The download link will be on the description box. Here we have the download page. So here you can see this is the 7zip version 19.0 and here you can see the release date, and here we have the new version of 7zip, that is 19.0.2 alpha. So if you want a stable version of 7zip file, then you have to download this one, or if you want the latest version of 7zip file, then you have to download this one. And here we have two download options. One is for 32-bit and another one is for 64-bit. And here you can see the download size is 1 MB. Now to check whether your operating system is 32-bit or 64-bit, for that simply go to settings, then go to system, and on left hand side you will find about option. Just click on about, and here you will see device specification and the system type. Here you can see system type 64-bit operating system, which is x64 based processor. So I need to download the 64-bit version of 7zip. So I will download the stable one. Here you can see it is downloading. So let me complete the download process. After the download complete, go ahead and open the file. Then click on yes. So this is the setup window. So let me minimize the browser. So here we have the destination folder where 7zip is going to install. So if you want to change this location, by clicking on this icon, and here you can select your location. For now I'm just going to keep it default, then simply click on install. And here you can see the installation process has been successfully completed. Let me close this. Now here search for 7zip, and here we have our 7zip file manager application. So if you want to create a shortcut for this on your desktop, then simply right click on it, then go to file location, and here we have the 7zip file manager shortcut. Just right click on it, and here go to send to, and here click on desktop create shortcut. So here we have our 7zip shortcut. So from here you can simply access your 7zip application. Now let me show you how you can extract your file using 7zip. So here I have one zip file. Let me extract this file with the help of 7zip software. For that, just select the file, then right click on it, and here you will find an option called 7zip, and here you will find different options to extract. So you can even open the archive file or you can extract the file. So let me extract to this location. So here you can see here I had successfully extracted my zip file. Now if you want to create a zip file of this folder, just simply select that folder, then right click on it, then go to 7zip option, and here you will find a option called add to archive, and here you can name your file, format, what type of format you want, 7zip, tar, win or zip. So select any archive format, then select the compression level. So let me do it fast, and here you can select your compression method and size. So after that simply click on OK, and here you can see we have a compressed file of this folder. So this way you can use 7zip software on Windows 10. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.